there's a built-in surface level inside your Galaxy A34, and I'll be showing you how to use it. Now, this surface level is built into the edge panel, and so you have to enable the edge panel and also customize the edge panel to be able to use that feature. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display. Under display, go to edge panels, tap on that. And first of all, make sure edge panels is enabled. Okay, so that's the very first step. And then you want to go to panels and make sure the tools panel is selected. Now, once you have the edge panel enabled and also you have the tools panel selected, then you can always go to the edge panel on your phone and then swipe again on the edge panel to reveal the other panel, which is the tools panel. Now, the default tools panel is this compass. Okay, so what you need to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner of that panel and then select surface level. Okay, and as you can see, we do have a surface level here that you can use to check if surfaces are level. So basically, the most level surface is when that dot sits perfectly inside that circle like that. Okay, it's gonna turn blue when it's perfectly in there, but that's basically how to use the built-in surface level of your Samsung Galaxy A34. Okay, so let me just try to get that dead level, something close to that. There you go. So that's perfection. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.